Essential road skills for new drivers. In the next few minutes, you will learn the essential skills every new driver must know: how to drive safely on the road, how to understand traffic signs, and how to follow the rules that keep you and everyone else protected. Let's begin. Preparing to drive. Before starting the engine, preparation is everything. Adjust your seat. Sit upright, with your back supported. Place your hands comfortably on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 position. Adjust your mirrors. The rear view mirror should show the full back window. Side mirrors should reduce blind spots on both sides. Fasten your seatbelt. Make sure all passengers do the same. And finally, clear your mind. Stay calm. Remove distractions. Driving requires full focus. Basic car control. Let's talk about basic control. Steer smoothly. Avoid sudden or aggressive movements. Small corrections keep the car stable. Accelerate gently. Press the gas pedal lightly. Smooth acceleration keeps the car balanced and predictable. Brake early and gradually. Slow, controlled braking is safer and more comfortable. Always scan the road. Look ahead. Check your mirrors every few seconds. Stay aware of pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Understanding road signs. Road signs are your guide and your protection. Let's break them down. Regulatory signs tell you what you must do. Stop signs, yield signs, speed limits. Follow these signs strictly. Warning signs alert you to hazards, sharp curves, pedestrian crossings, slippery roads. When you see a warning sign, prepare and slow down. Informational signs help you navigate. Fuel stations, parking areas, hospitals. These signs guide your journey. Road rules. Every beginner must follow. Keep a safe following distance. Use the 3-second rule. Choose an object on the road. If you reach it before counting to 3, you're too close. Use your indicators. Signal when turning. Signal when changing lanes. Signal when pulling over. Indicators tell others what you plan to do. Respect pedestrian crossings. Slow down when approaching a crosswalk. Stop completely if someone is crossing. Understand the right-of-way. Cars on the main road usually have priority. At roundabouts, give way to vehicles already inside. When turning left, yield to oncoming traffic. Control your speed. Drive according to weather, traffic, and road conditions. Sometimes, the safe speed is below the posted limit. Safe driving habits. Avoid distractions. No texting, no eating, no multitasking. Your attention belongs on the road. Be predictable. Signal early. Change lanes smoothly. Avoid sudden braking. Check your blind spots. Before changing lanes, look in your mirrors. Then turn your head to check over your shoulder. Stay calm. If someone honks or pressures you, don't rush. Stay focused on safe driving. Driving takes patience. It takes practice. And most of all, it takes responsibility. Remember these 3 principles. Stay focused, stay aware, stay disciplined, follow the rules, respect the road, and with time, you will become a confident and safe driver. Thank you for listening. Drive safely.